To mark this year's celebration of International Human Rights Day, the Supreme Court allowed that we organize this forum to provide a platform to invite critical reflection on our current doctrines, especially for this year regarding freedom of expression.
May this gathering serve as a catalyst for deeper understanding, stronger collaboration, and more innovative approaches to protecting freedoms of expression in our society.
When you hear the words freedom of expression, what usually comes into mind?
Or doing an effort to interview the church, the government, the courts.
The usual answer that they give is, we are already doing a lot.
Their activities underscored the vulnerabilities in existing regulatory frameworks.
An example of such act is anti-terror legislation.
I'm a lawyer with the Environmental Legal Assistance Center in Palawan. Those who speak out to protect the environment are red tagged, are persecuted. And it's striking for me that this is a topic that is now openly being discussed among many different bodies in the government.
These issues actually affect the communities, the human rights defenders that we work with. So it's really important for us to listen in terms of how we can address and what are the recommendations coming from the studies.
It expands your perspective, not just from the point of view of the judiciary, but also from different viewpoints from the academe, students, and other sectors.
We in the IBP will always support these efforts of the Supreme Court because we believe the judiciary plays a very important part in the protection and promotion of human rights in the Philippines.
Napaka-importante sa anumang sector ng society to discuss the issue of freedom of expression simply because it is one of our well-deserved right under the Constitution.
Well, the fact that this symposium is organized by the Supreme Court just shows the Supreme Court's commitment to human rights and to the protection of basic human rights and basic freedoms of the Filipino people.
Perhaps the sign of a mature democracy is the ability to accept differing opinions with mutual respect and admiration.
Our freedom of expression is not just another constitutional guarantee. It is the very foundation of our democracy, the lifeblood of innovations and oftentimes the mirror through which society examines itself.
Wagas na paglilingkod, alay sa sambayanan, hangad ng bawat isa'y...
Together, let us reaffirm our commitment to a future where freedom of expression, firmly grounded in constitutional principles, illuminates the path towards a more just and democratic society.
Upang ganap na makamtan, maningning na kinabukasan. Huwag